Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our group discussion podcast. Today we are going to discuss about business support system and their importance to entrepreneurs and small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs. We will discuss 5 questions covering the importance of business support systems, different forms of business support, infrastructure and incubation support, financial support, and capacity and capability enhancements. So let's begin with our first question. So our first question is, why are business support systems important for the creation, growth, and sustainability of SMEs? Speaker 1.
Hello. In my opinion, business support systems are very important because they help SMEs with their creation, development, growth, and sustainability. Entrepreneurs may have great business idea, but they do not have enough financial resources, knowledge, skill, or facility to develop their business successfully. Business support system can provide through entrepreneurship ecosystem such as market, human capital, financial resources, government policies, professional service, and support infrastructure. This different type of support can help entrepreneurs overcome the challenge they face when starting and managing a business. Therefore, I believe business support systems are important because they provide entrepreneurs with the resources, knowledge, and assistance they need to turn their idea into successful and sustainable business. That's all.
Thank you. That's a good explanation. So, business support system help entrepreneurs overcome their limitation and provide the necessary support for the business to grow and remain sustainable. Okay, now let's move on to our second question, which focus on the different forms of business support available to entrepreneurs. Okay, what are the different forms of business support available to entrepreneurs, and how can these supports help a business succeed? Speaker 2, you can start.
There are several forms of business support available to entrepreneurs. Based on our lecture, some important forms include infrastructure support service, financial support service, and capacity and capability enhancement service. Infrastructure support provides entrepreneurs with facilities that can help them start and develop their business. Financial support provides the funding needed to start or expand a business. Meanwhile, capacity and capability enhancement helps entrepreneurs improve their knowledge and skill through things such as training, marketing assistance, technical assistance, R&D facilities, and advisory service.
Yes, and I think these different forms of support can work together. For example, if an entrepreneur wants to start a technology-based business, they may need a suitable facility to develop their product. They may also need financial support to purchase equipment and training to improve their business knowledge. They could also receive technical assistance or marketing assistance to improve their product and reach customers. So these different forms of support can help entrepreneurs deal with different business challenges and increase their chance of success.
Wow, that's a good point. So, business support is not limited to financial assistance only. Entrepreneurs can receive support through facilities, training, technology, marketing, advice, and the other resources. So now let's move on to our third question, which focuses specifically on infrastructure and incubation support. So the third question is, how can business incubator programs, technology parks, and other infrastructure facilities help new entrepreneurs develop their business? Speaker 4, what do you think?
I think business incubator programs and infrastructure facility are useful because they provide entrepreneurs with a suitable environment and facility to develop their business. So, from our lecture, they give several examples, including business incubator program, science and technology park, technology business incubator, virtual business incubator, and business support center. So this facility can make it easier for new entrepreneurs to develop their ideas and business without having to build everything from the beginning.
That's true, Shafika. The lecture also mentioned support for different sectors such as SME Brand Factory Complex, the Serum Incubator Program, Technology Park Malaysia, and Mara Incubator Programs. There are also incubation programs for the agriculture sector such as the Agriculture Youth Entrepreneur Incubation Program. For example, a new entrepreneur developing a technology-based product could use an incubator or technology park to access suitable facilities and resources. This can help the entrepreneur develop the product and business more effectively.
Yes, and I think the main benefit is that this facility gives new entrepreneur a better environment to develop their business. Instead of struggling to find everything themselves, they can make use of existing infrastructure and support.
Exactly. So, incubation and infrastructure support can provide entrepreneurs with the facilities and environment needed to develop their ideas and turn them into business. So now, let's discuss one of the most important resources for starting a business, which is finance. Okay. Why is financial support important for entrepreneurs and SMEs? And what challenges might entrepreneurs face without adequate financial assistance? Speaker 6, please start.
Financial support is important because entrepreneurs need money to start and operate their business. For example, an entrepreneur may need capital to run a business premise, purchase equipment and materials, pay employees, and also promote their products. Without a sufficient financial resource, even an entrepreneur with a good business idea may find it difficult to start the business.
I
How
agree.
about speaker 2?
I agree with you. Lack of financial support also can make it difficult for SMEs, especially to grow and expand. For example, imagine an entrepreneur has a small business that is already making a profit, but they want to purchase better equipment to increase production. If they don't have enough financial resources, they may not be able to make that investment. This means their business growth could be slower and they may have difficulty competing with other businesses.
That's true. Financial support is not only important when starting a business, but it also can help an existing business improve its operation and expand it.
I see. So, financial support helps entrepreneurs turn their ideas into actual business and also provides existing SMEs with opportunities to grow and improve. So, let's move on to our final question, which focus on improving the knowledge, skill, and capabilities of SMEs. So, the final question is, how can training and development programs, marketing assistance, technical assistance, R&D facilities, and advisory services improve the capability and competitiveness of SMEs? Speaker 8, let's hear from you first.
Capacity and capability enhancement helps entrepreneurs improve their skills and ability to manage their business. For example, training and development programs can learn about business, promote products, and reach their target customers effectively. Technical assistance can also help businesses solve technical problems and improve their operations.
I agree with you, Rina. And the lecture also mentions research and development facilities and advisory, extension service, and information as forms of capacity and capability enhancement. R&D facilities can help SMEs develop and improve their products, while advisory services can provide entrepreneurs with useful information and guidance when making business decisions. For example, a small company may have a good product but may not know how to improve it or market it effectively. Through R&D, technical assistance, and marketing support, the company can improve its product and become more competitive with others.
Yes, and when SMEs continuously improve their knowledge, products, and business practices, they can become more competitive and have a better chance of the market.
That's a good point. So capacity and capability enhancement is important because it helps SMEs continuously improve their knowledge, skill, products, and business operation. So to conclude our discussions, we can see that business support systems play an important role in helping entrepreneurs and SMEs succeed. So we discussed that business support can come in different forms, including infrastructure, financial support, training, marketing assistance, technical assistance, R&D facilities, and advisory services. So yeah, thank you to all our speakers for sharing your ideas and examples. And thank you everyone for listening to our podcast discussion. That's all from our group. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.